My experience with this internship has been absolutely amazing. I've learned new tools, I've learned new safety protocols, and it also gives you the real world experience. It's been one of the best experiences I've ever had.
The Core Plus Aerospace summer internship. Students are able to come into Boeing where they learn hands-on skills. They go through new hire training. These students have been deeply engaged. They are so excited to be here.
The Core Plus Aerospace internship is an excellent way to try out what it's like in a manufacturing environment to see if you want to do this for a career. And I think it's definitely worth to come out and just try something new and experience new things.
I love the internship experience. We do a lot of hands-on stuff that I really like. There's riveting skills, a lot of mechanical assembly and drilling. This internship will definitely help me open a lot of doors. This gives me a lot of experience.
My internship experience has just been so much fun. I've loved getting to have all of the hands-on work and getting to learn from my Core Plus Aerospace internship instructors, Justin and Nate. It's really been like a pleasure to learn from them. I'm getting a lot of real experience from like real professionals, and it's just been awesome.
It's refreshing to see young people put in so much effort into something that should play out well for their futures. They've learned together, they've helped each other, they've respected each other, they've respected the workplace. They're learning a lot of skills that'll help them after graduation. Their future looks pretty bright.
This internship is gonna set me up for success because it just teaches me what I need for my career. It's gonna help me set up my future. My career goal is to work here at Boeing. This is a good way and a good path to get your foot in the door.
I've had a lot of fun with this internship. I've been able to be really hands-on and independent and get experience and work with tools. You're gonna discover things that you never thought existed. And being here and being hands-on is something that can teach you a lot about what your future might look like.
There are tons and tons of new manufacturing job roles that are becoming available. There's pathways into these entry-level positions that really allow students to make a family wage job. And it supports them, it supports their family members. These are massive impacts on people's lives. It's very exciting.